Animals is made possible in part by...
You're having a good time with great friends. Anything is possible. Anything. Capri Sun, maker of Capri Sun Organic, is a proud sponsor of Nature.
The National Science Foundation, where discoveries begin. The Corporation for Public Broadcasting. And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Nature Cat loves to explore nature. And nature can be a pretty smelly place. Have you ever noticed some smells are super sweet and some are really stinky? These scents are important because they say, come over and hang out with me, or stay away. You can find out more about nature
Splash and Bubble
at pbskids.org. But stick around, there's more fun up next on PBS Kids.
Nature Cat. Tally-ho! PBS Kids Backyard Explorer Extraordinaire. Here, Nature Cat is here to save the day. So explore the outdoors with Nature Cat. Tally-ho! Updates on PBS Kids. Or anytime on the PBS Kids video app.
Check your nose, shoulders, knees, and little toes. It's my job every day to help you grow in a healthy way.
United Healthcare is a proud sponsor of Sesame Street and making checkups fun for families with a little one.
When children learn to connect the little things, they begin to see a bigger picture. That spending quality time with those who matter most makes us happier and healthier. Beaches Resorts, proud
Splash and
sponsor of Sesame
Bubbles.
Workshop for 10 years and counting.